In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix iPhone cellular data not working problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The first solution consists of a few small steps. The first thing we need to do is to turn mobile data off and on. After doing this, we need to make sure that low data mode is not selected. To do this, we open Settings. After opening Settings, click on Cellular. After that, we click on Cellular Data Options and Data Mode. Then we make sure that low data mode is not selected. The last thing we need to do is update iOS. To do this, we go back to Settings. Then click on General and Software Update. After that, if we need to update iOS, we update it. This was the first solution. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is Reset Network Settings. We can solve this problem with cellular data by resetting network settings. To do this, we open Settings. After opening Settings, click on General. Then we scroll down and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. After doing this, we click Reset and click Reset Network Settings. Here, we need to enter our passcode to continue. I can't show this part because I am video recording, but you need to do this to try to solve your problem. After resetting the network settings, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the first two solutions did not solve your problem, you can contact the operator you receive service, because the problem may not be with you, but with them. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.